Is Facebook not loading in Safari on your iPhone? It can be really frustrating, but don't worry, there are a few simple things that might be causing the issue, like network problems, cache data, or browsing history. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Open Control Center by swiping down from the top of the screen. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Open another app like YouTube to see if your internet connection is working. If you can't load websites, the issue might be with your internet connection. Solution 2. Clear Safari cache and website data. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Scroll down and find the Safari browser. Tap Clear History and Website Data. Confirm by tapping Clear again. Cached website data can sometimes prevent pages from loading correctly. Solution 3. Offload Facebook. Open Setting apps on your iPhone. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap iPhone Storage. Find out Facebook apps from here. Tap Offload. Tap Offload again. Tap Reinstall the apps. Solution 4. Disable Safari extensions. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Scroll down and find the Safari browser. Scroll down. Tap Extensions. Toggle off any active extensions or remove them. Extensions may interfere with website loading if they block certain scripts or content. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Reset. Then select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm the reset. This will clear your Wi-Fi networks and settings but may resolve any underlying connection issues. Now that you have gone through these steps, your issue with Facebook not loading in Safari on your iPhone should be resolved. If problem continues, feel free to contact Apple support for additional help.